Imagine spilling coffee on the floor. Then, instead of grabbing a mop, a vacuum, and wasting 20 minutes cleaning, one machine does everything in a single swipe. This is Xiaomi's Truclean W20, and honestly, it feels like cheating. This thing vacuums, mops, scrubs, and self-cleans after. So the real question is this finally the cleaning gadget that's actually worth buying, or just another TikTok hype machine? The Xiaomi Truclean W20 is a wet and dry vacuum designed for people who are tired of traditional cleaning. It has 15,000 pass suction power, a roller spinning at 500 RPM, and it can suck up dust, pet hair, cereal, spills, even wet messes, all at the same time. What's crazy is, while you're cleaning, the roller is constantly washing itself with flowing water. So unlike normal mops, you're not spreading dirty water everywhere. And if you hate tangled hair, Xiaomi added a comb-like scraper that removes hair before it wraps around the brush. Battery lasts around 28 to 30 minutes, which is enough for condos, apartments, and medium homes. But here's the honest part. It's amazing on hard floors, but not really meant for thick carpets. And while the self-cleaning feature is super convenient, some reviewers said the roller takes time to fully dry. Still, for the price, this thing is ridiculously practical, especially if you have kids, pets, or you just hate cleaning. And I think that's why gadgets like this go viral, because nobody dreams of cleaning floors. People dream about getting their time back. And honestly, the Xiaomi Truclean W20 feels less like a vacuum and more like buying back 30 minutes of your life every single day. So, would you replace your mop with this? Comment worth it or overrated and follow for more brutally honest tech reviews.